What's going on, guys? Figured I'd do an update on the Sunrader. As you can see on the passenger side, I'm getting water leaking in from somewhere. And shoot to the back. Oh, beautiful. I already resealed that twice now, and that one is still leaking. So these things are old. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's take a look and see what we're working with here. Don't mind my makeshift gluing structure. Glad that worked. Fuck me. Excuse my language. That guy's all glued. I glued all the structures pretty much. Got a few more pieces I gotta get on. These guys up into these gaps here. But let's see. So yeah, as you can tell, we got a leak there. And that's coming from right here on this corner. Right in there somehow. So that needs to be addressed. That's why I got this bucket here. And just... All right, guys. So 1 month later, I've dried things up and kind of addressed the raining and leaking. So this is where she sits now. I've got the kitchen vent in place and mounted. I've got the kind of sink and batteries right there because that's kind of where all that stuff's gonna go. As well as the bathroom is in, and all the wiring you can see is coming down the wall there. So we're pretty much getting close to starting to wrap things up. I just got to wire in and plumb some of the bathroom and shower and stuff, and then I'm waiting to find a good deal on a refrigerator, which is going to sit right there. And then next to it is a water heater, a tankless. I still have the original tank there and the pump. I think it's an aftermarket pump. It wasn't the original pump, but all of that was still working, so hopefully I can keep it working. Next to that's going to be the cat area. I'm going to have a little kitty litter and then the open for the cats to be going outside. And the upper bunk is pretty much all wood structure, glued. Everything's good. I need to do insulation. Most likely going to redo those front windows as well. Driver and passenger side's pretty much done. Definitely getting closer to seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. So thanks for following, guys.